Assalamualaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. So, in the last two lectures, we did the basic rules of direct and indirect speech. And in the last lecture, we did the positive sentences. I told you how to change the positive sentences from direct to indirect speech. And today we are going to follow the rules in order to change the interrogative sentences from direct to indirect speech. So if you carefully follow all the rules when you will be changing the speech of the sentence, it will become very easy for you people just to change it without making any mistake at all. So let's start with the lecture. To convert interrogative sentences into indirect speech, follow the following rules according to the above mentioned rules. Reporting verb is set to changed into asked. So set will be changed into asked when you will change direct speech into indirect speech. If reporting verb is having a reporting verb at its start, then if is used in the place of that. Whenever you see that the reporting speech is beginning with a helping verb, so you will have to use if whenever you will have to remove the comma. If the reporting speech is having interrogative words which are called WH words like who, when, how, why, when, then neither if is used nor any other word is used. It means that you will have to continue the sentence with all the WH words who, when, how. No other word will be used in the sentence when you will change it from direct into indirect speech. Okay, students, you can see on your screen that we have few sentences over here. And the last rule regarding the interrogative sentences is full stop is placed at the end of the sentence instead of the mark of interrogation. When you will change the direct sentence into indirect speech, then there will be no question mark. Rather, you will have to put the full stop over here. Why? Because the whole of the construction of the sentence will be changed. Now it has been written in the positive sentence. It has been changed into a positive sentence. So instead of question mark, we will have to put a comma like all the positive sentences. So let's analyze all these sentences one by one. If you have interrogative sentence, how would you change it from direct to indirect speech? I said to her, when do you do your homework? So first of all, you have to see that when is the WH word, it means that there will be no change at all. The first change, first of all, whenever you have a sentence, you will have to underline all the words which you are supposed to change in the sentence. This is the most easiest way to convert the sentence from direct to indirect speech. So the first change which we have to make over here is that said will be changed into asked. I asked her, and always remember that after asked, we do not use any preposition like to. I asked her. Then we have to remove this comma. We will remove this comma over here, and right after there, when will be written because this is a WH word, so no other word will be written before WH word. Now the whole of the sentence is written in present indefinite tense. So you will have to change it into past indefinite tense. You is second person pronoun. So it will be changed according to the object, which is her over here. So when you write over here, you will be changed into she. Your will also be changed because your is possessive pronoun, second person possessive pronoun. So it will be changed according to the object. So the whole of the sentence will be changed like this. I asked her when she did her homework. And right after the completion of the sentence, we are going to put a full stop over here. In this way, you have to make all the changes which you are supposed to change in the sentence. When you will underline all the words where you have to make the change, so there will be no mistake at all. Then we go to the next sentence. We said to him, "Are you ill?" Said will be changed into asked. We asked him. Then the sentence is beginning. The sentence within the inverted commas is beginning with a helping verb, which is are. And I told you when we were discussing the rules that whenever some helping verb will be there, and we have to remove the comma, we will write if instead of the comma. The comma will be removed and if will be written over here. Now the sentence is written in simple present tense, so we have to change it into simple past tense. You is the second person pronoun, so it will be changed according to the object, which is him over here. So instead of you, we will have to write he over here. So what will be the sentence? It will be, we asked him if he was ill. The next sentence is, you said to me, have you read the article? You asked me. Instead of comma, we are going to write if over here because sentence is beginning with have, which is a helping verb over here. And we have to change it from present perfect tense to past perfect tense. So you is again second person pronoun. So it will be changed according to the object, which is me over here. So instead of you, we are going to write I over here. So what will be the sentence? You asked me if I had read the article. The next sentence is, he said to her, will you go to Peshawar radio station? He asked her. Said will be changed into asked. So he asked her. Again, the sentence is beginning with a helping verb, which is will over here. So we are going to remove the comma with if. He asked her if. You is again second person pronoun. So it will be changed according to the object, which is her over here. So instead of you, we are going to write she over here. So the sentence will be, he asked her if she would go to Peshawar radio station. Will be changed into would. She says, who is he? She says, she asked, comma will be removed over here and the sentence is going to continue with the same WH word, which is you, who over here. He is third person pronoun, so there will be no change at all. The sentence is written over here in simple present tense, so it will be changed into past, simple past tense. So what will be the sentence? The sentence will be, she asked who he was. Most of the students, they make this mistake that when they write the indirect speech, they write she asked who was he. It will be a wrong construction because now you are writing a positive sentence. So the construction should also be positive over here, and right after the sentence you have to put a full stop over here. And the last sentence is over here. Rashid says to me, why are you late? Rashid asked me. Again, it is WH word. So we are going to remove the comma. And the sentence will be, Rashid asked me why I was late. Because you is the second person pronoun. And it is going to be changed according to the object, which is me over here. So you will be changed into I. So the final sentence, the indirect speech will be, Rashid said to me, rather, Rashid asked me why I was late. So I hope students that today's lecture would be very, very useful for you people. If you follow all the rules, you can have more sentences for your practice. Keep on practicing them by following all the rules which we have discussed today so that you may not make any mistake over there in your exam. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.